up, people? Today the word is minimalist. We have a minimalist vlogging setup for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Is this minimalist setup the best setup? I don't know. Let's check it out and find out. Let's go. What's up, people? It's your boy ThaBlackCobra. So today we're gonna talk about this new setup I got. 2 different microphones, a light, a handle, all the things that make this the best setup yet. And we're gonna start with this Ulanzi video case for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the primary piece of hardware that you need for this minimalist setup. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's put it together real quick so you can see how this rig is set up and how it functions. Alright, so first we have the case itself, and I have it attached to a tripod mount. This tripod mount, which I love, is it's very small. It's got a nice grip on it, nice handle. It's very lightweight plastic, but it also has a little secret. It extends. So it gives you a better option no matter what you need. So as far as the case itself is concerned, okay, you take the back off of it very easily. It slides off. Then one thing you have to remember when you're utilizing this is the side door has to come off before you put it in the case. And it's simple. It's a little pull. It feels like it's gonna break off, but it doesn't. It has a little groove in there. So you take that piece off and then you pop this right in the case, nice and simple, and you slide the back part right back on, and that's it. It's already inside the case. It gives you access to the back. You can utilize the touchscreen from the back. You get access to the side, and you get access to the button on the other side, and the access to the button on the top, and then you have your cold shoe mount for whatever you want to mount on there. Now, knowing that the cable has to connect on this side, you take the adapter from GoPro and you simply slide it through. Just like that. Now, in order for it to fit snugly, you twist it and it plugs in nice and snug. I watched one video where they were talking about how it was too long and it made it difficult. This is really the best way to connect this and not have it get in your way. And then you can do one of 2 things. You can connect this Movo type or a Rode Video Micro, and you can put it on top and simply plug it in to the adapter on the side, and that's your rig. That's all you need to do. Or, which I think is a different option, maybe a better option, is you take this ceramic mic and you simply plug that into it, and it's even smaller. And if you look at the way this works, all you have to do is direct it. If you're behind the camera, you can direct it behind you. If you're in front or you're trying to get audio from the front, you can direct it in front. And I even got a case of, well, we have the dead cat that goes on the Movo, but I bought a pack of small, tiny dead cats that can go on this ceramic mic. So if you're outside and you want to utilize that, there's an option for that too. If you utilize that, then you can put this light, and I have the Neewer light here, and you can put this in the cold shoe mount. So that allows you to have a low light option as well as a 2 different mic option for this GoPro vlogging setup here. And if you see how tiny it is, I'm telling you, this little rig right here is my favorite out of all of the ones that I've seen so far, and I've seen quite a few, and I've utilized a couple of them, but this by far is my favorite. It's the most versatile, but it's the smallest at the same time. So I don't know what you think, but I'm hoping you're gonna tell me. So if you like this, pop a comment down below and let me know. And if you don't, if you have a better setup than this, pop a comment down below and let me know what setup you utilize, because I'd like to check it out. If you don't have anything better, I'm telling you that this is probably your best option for a GoPro vlogging rig. Okay, video test now from both the Hero 4 and the Hero 7. Okay, Hero 4, Hero 7. Now, both of these are recording with no external microphones. Both of these are recording in the original cases, nothing around them. Well, the Hero 7 has the metal case that it came with, and actually the Hero 4 is strapped to an external mount with no cage around it. So, not sure if the audio is better from one or the other, but the real test here is the video. So, looking this way, see what it looks like out here. You tell me which one is better. The GoPro Hero 7 Black, the GoPro Hero 4. Which one do you like better? Video test for both. This is a lot of fun. I'm running around here jumping on a skateboard and filming it and having a good time. At any rate, I am here today for this, for the GoPro Hero 7 Black, okay? Today we're just trying to see if it's, if it's fun to vlog on. It's easy to vlog on with this new rig. It's easy to vlog on, but is it fun to vlog on? So far it is. It's a lot easier to do this with this little camera than it is with the full DSLR. Okay, I'm gonna do a test, a microphone test, okay? So this is the Saramonic microphone. We're gonna test it, see how it sounds. I'm out back and there's not really a whole lot of wind where I'm sitting. It is windy out here, but where I'm sitting, the house is kind of blocking the wind. So it's kind of a true test of a decent day. You might be able to hear some of the wind off in the distance, but the mic should sound good. Mic check, Saramonic mic. Okay, mic check. This is with the Movo top-mounted microphone. Same thing, same spot, out back. This is on a kind of calm day. Again, if we were standing out in front, we probably would get the wind a lot more. And neither one of these have a windscreen on right now. Although the Saramonic did have the foam cover on it, and the Movo has no cover on it at all. It comes with this outside, it comes with this dead cat to muffle the sound, to muffle the noise from the wind. However, since there isn't any right now, I don't have it on, so that's the mic check from the Movo. Onboard audio check, onboard audio. Oh, and now the wind's picking up a little bit, but this is the onboard audio, no external microphone, nothing connected at all. And this is the improved internal microphones of the GoPro Hero 7 Black itself. All right, people, so I'm out back. I did a little test. We talked about the audio. We did a comparison on the video. I gave you a little B-roll, a couple clips here and there. So you tell me what you think. This new rig, does it seem like it's easy to you? Because it definitely does to me. Does it seem like it's worth it to you? Because I would say yes on that front as well. It's light, it's really inexpensive, and it definitely does the job. The most expensive part about the whole rig is the GoPro adapter that you need to use the mic. That's the only thing that costs more than I would like it to have. But the case itself, the Ulanzi case, and the stand as well, the expandable mini tripod stand. Both of those are really inexpensive. So if you're looking for a vlogging rig and you want to use the GoPro Hero 7 Black, I'm definitely going to tell you that this is probably your best option to date. Okay, now I'm not saying that something else better might come out soon because they keep updating, but right now, and you can use it with either the Movo mic or the Rode video mic or the Saramonic video mic, either one. All three mics are good options. And they have different price points, but they're all pretty similar. I think the Rode is the most expensive, and then the Saramonic and the Movo are pretty comparable. So there are definitely options. And if you use the Saramonic mic, as I said earlier, you can utilize the cold shoe mount for a light, so then you have a low light option as well. So to me, the Saramonic mic with a light on top when needed is probably your best option, and is probably the best way to go. So you tell me, pop a comment down below, tell me if you have this, tell me if you're thinking about it, and as always, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can check it out. Until next time, I'm always here with your gadgets, games, and gear. Peace.